Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Finn. Finn is a famous character from the Adventure Time cartoon. Finn is a brave boy who loves to go on adventures. He lives in a magical land called Ood, where he helps people and fight bad guys. Finn is always ready to help his friend and do the right thing. He is very kind, funny and never give up, no matter how tough things get. With his best friend, a magical dog named Jack, Finn goes on a lot of fun adventures, saving the day and making everyone happy. He always carries his trusty sword and he known for being super brave, and even when he faces scary monsters, Finn's big heart and strong sense of justice make him a true hero in a land of food. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.